Okay, good morning student. Ninth B, Science 1, chapter number 1, 2, 3 we have completed. In semester 4 and 5th chapter also will come. In algebra, first, second, third chapter will come, that already we have completed. Now, this is the basic of chemistry. Atomic mass of the substance, from that we have to start. Measurement of matter. The substance which is made up of matter is made up of very small particles. Small particles is made up of molecules. Molecules are made up of atoms. Atoms are made up of electron, proton, neutron. So, first word is law of chemical combination. Law of chemical combination. Take one molecule of water, H2O. Then it is made up of 3 atoms. It is made up of 3 atoms, HHO. So, very simple example. If you have one bag and in the bag there are 3 different things of different weight. So what will be the total weight of the bag? You will add only that 3 substance A, B, C? No, with bag also. So weight of bag plus weight of A plus weight of B plus weight of C, that is the total weight. So water molecule, it is one bag. Inside there are 3 atoms, H2. So this plus this plus this is equal to whatever. For hydrogen we are considering 1, this is 1, this is 16, so total is 18 atomic mass unit. So what is the law of chemical combination? The total weight is equal to the sum of individual. Means by combination, by decomposition, one thing is clear, that matter we cannot create, we cannot destroy it. We can convert one form into another form. Hydrogen gas, oxygen gas combine to form water. But the atomic weight will be as the addition of all this. So conservation, law of chemical combination, means I want to find out total weight of this molecules. It contains 3 atoms. So this plus this is equal to this. Means you cannot create, you cannot destroy it. It will be the exactly the total. Now, law of conservation of matter. I have introduced the word that matter cannot be produced, cannot be destroyed, only we can transfer. From gas we can convert into liquid. You will say, sir, कागज को जला दिया तो we have destroyed. No. In gas, carbon dioxide, the black part remain, that is carbon. So again it converts into something. You are not destroying. Hydrogen and oxygen you are utilizing. You are not destroying. It will convert into the water. So law of conservation of matter. Matter cannot be created nor be destroyed. Only you can convert into one form into another form by combination, by decomposition. But the total amount of the matter will remain same in the universe. अगर आप क्रिएट नहीं कर सकते हो, अगर आप डिस्ट्रॉयड नहीं कर सकते हो, तो जो जितना है उतना ही रहेगा. इट विल बी कन्वर्ट इनटू डिफरेंट फॉर्म. Law of constant proportion. Whenever we will write water, we will write H2O. Every time we require 2H and 1O. We can't say HO2 or H2O2 or H3O3, H3O, HO3. No. Fixed proportion. If there is a compound, that should be the fixed proportion. Hydrochloric acid, 1 hydrogen, 1 chlorine. Sodium chloride, 1 sodium, 1 chlorine. 1 sodium, 1 oxygen, 1 hydrogen. Fixed proportion. So every compound having that element in a fixed proportion. That is known as law of constant proportion. Sulfuric acid H2SO4. Hydrogen is to sulfur is to oxygen. Hydrogen 2, sulfur 1, oxygen 4. Nitric acid HNO3. Hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. There is a fixed proportion that is known as law of constant proportion. In any compound, the proportion of the element, the proportion of the atom will never change. It will be the same. It will be the constant. That is the law of constant of that table which is given. It is omitted. Blue mark, it is omitted. Atom size, mass and valency. Substance is made up of matter. Matter made up of small particles. These particles made up of molecules. Molecules made up of atom. Atoms are made up of electron, proton, neutron. But these three things we cannot separate. Till atom we can separate. S for substance, made up of M for matter, P for particles, molecules. Atom is made up of electron, proton. This is one substance. Take a dish. It is a substance. It is made up of matter, that is steel or copper, whatever. In that substance molecule, it is made up of very small particles. And in small particles there are lots of molecules. And that each molecules are made up of atom. Atom is made up of now. It is okay. My side is this. So size, mass, valency. Atom, it is rounded shape. This part is concrete, this part is hollow. Electrons are here, protons are here, neutrons are here. Atom is made up of proton, neutron, electron. For atom, nodes of atom, you have to remember 9 points. 9 points. Sorry, 10 points. 9 individual, 10th one, that is first, that is common. 10 point. Very easily you can summarize related to the atom. Suppose you have to write the notes on atom, you will write 10 points. First sentence, what you will write? Atom is made up of electron, proton, neutron. Sentence number 1, point number 1, atom is made up of electron, proton, neutron. Next three you will write position of proton in the nuclei, position of neutron in the nucleus, position of electron in the orbit. So 3 more points we have joined. Again 3 points. On the charge, positive, negative, neutral. Proton is positive, electron is negative, neutron is neutral. P for positive, N for neutral. Electron always negatively charged. Mass of one proton is exactly equal to 1 neutron. For neutron you will write 1 neutron mass is equal to 1 proton. For electron you will write negligible, very less to less, which is not countable. Which is very less to less, not countable. So first common sentence you will write, new atom is made up of proton, electron, neutron. Then you will write 3 point for position, 3 for charges, 3.4 mass, 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9, and common. Exact 10 sentence, your notes will complete. Your concept will complete. Your knowledge about proton, electron, neutron also will be clear for atom. Now, after nucleus, there is an orbit. If the number of orbit increase, always it is not only one orbit. There are 2 orbit, can be 4, can be 5, can be. So for size, first topic, size. What is the meaning of size? This is the nucleus. First orbit, 2 orbits, 3 orbits. From the center of the nucleus to the outermost orbit, this is the radius. If there is 2, this is the radius. If there is 3 orbit, this is the radius. So for size, you have to write radius first. Atoms are in a sphere form. There are nucleus, there are orbit. So the distance from the center to the outermost orbit, that is the radius. More the radius, more the volume, more the size. Less the volume, less the radius, less the volume, less the size. Understood? So atom, radius is what? Radius is from center to the outermost orbit, distance is radius. More the radius, more the volume, more the size. Less the radius, less the volume, less the size. Mass. इन बार बैलेंस, हम सब्जी खरीदने जाते तो वो ऐसे पकड़ते हैं, इसमें एक में वो 1 kg डाई, सेकेंड दे विल पुट द वेजिटेबल. इफ इट इज बैलेंस, then we understood that this much is 1 kg. This is known as comparative weight. That vegetable is of 1 kg. How we will come to know? Because opposite side 1 kg dice is there. First it is like this. Add, it will be balanced. They will not give you the die, they will give you this vegetable. You have to consider that this is 1 kg. This is a comparative weight. You are comparing this with 1 kg die. If 5 kg का रखो या डालती जाओ, this it will balance 5 kg. Comparative. So to find the mass of any element, of any single atom, we have taken a unit mass, hydrogen. Why hydrogen? Why hydrogen? Very good question. That we will compare all the weight with respect to hydrogen. Why? Smallest, lightest. It is smallest and lightest. Wait. Say. See, now it is okay. Hello. Hello beta. First size. For the size we have to write for radius. Again it comes. Hello. Wait. Something went wrong in this. Okay. That vegetable we compare with the kg dice. Suppose it is 5 kg and it is balanced, so we consider that this is a 5 kg. So every mass of that atom we compare with hydrogen. They will ask why hydrogen only. Hydrogen is the lightest. With compared to hydrogen we are using, we are comparing. For example, here somewhere I have written oxygen is 16. So I'll put oxygen here, and now I'll put hydrogen. It is balance, 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 balance. With 16 hydrogen, oxygen will be balanced. So we have considered the atomic mass, atomic weight of the oxygen is 16. Sulfur, it is 32. Means (32 times heavier compared to hydrogen. So hydrogen we are considering 1, helium 4, means 4 hydrogen is equal to 1 helium. Lithium 7 means 7 hydrogen, it is equal to 1 lithium. So everything we will measure with compared to hydrogen. So put hydrogen, 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 and when it is balanced, see how much hydrogen? 32, it is balanced the sulfur. So sulfur's atomic weight 32, like that. Chemical symbols. Symbols we can write max to max 2 alphabet. First one is capital, second one is small. For carbon C, copper Cu, chlorine Cl, like that we are using. Molecules of the element and the compound, again the same. This one is the molecules, H2O. Its compounds are hydrogen, hydrogen and oxygen. We know that atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. This is 16 times heavier. So 16, 17, 18. So this is the molecular weight. Hello, beta, voice and screen correct? Or any disturbance? Tell me. So the difference in atomic weight and molecular weight. These are the individual atom. The weight of the atom, it is atomic weight. And when we add the atom present in the molecules, the total, like of one bag, H2O is one bag, in that one hydrogen, one oxygen. So the total is 18. This is atomic weight. This is atomic weight. This is atomic weight. But the combined for H2O, it is 18. That is a molecular weight. The weight of atom is atomic weight. The weight of molecules means the sum of all the atomic weight. That is the molecular weight. Follow? So they will provide you, for example, suppose you have to find sodium hydroxide, so they will say what is the atomic weight of this, what is the atomic weight of this, what is the suppose it is x, it is y, it is z, so x plus y plus z, that is the molecular weight of H, NaOH. Suppose it is this, so H2SO4, so hydrogen is 1 into 2, sulfur is 32 into 1, because that is also 1, this 2, this 1, plus oxygen is 16 into 4, so 2 ones are 2, 32 ones are 32, 16 fours are in the total. So atomic weight, combination, total, molecular weight. So atomic weight, it is the weight of one atom of that element. Molecular weight, it is the total of atomic weight present in that molecules. Only Avogadro number and valencies remain, that we will continue tomorrow. But as I have discussed with you that day by day, from first day till now, we are trying to give you the best of best. Every day we are searching something new, something different, that how we can teach best of best from home. Outside people are noticing this. From on Teachers Day, I have declared, no, I got gold medal and trophy. So yesterday only I got that parcel that I am showing you. See, when function actual physical function I have to use at that time, I have to attend at that time, they will give this, but by post they have sent this. This is the badge for guest, as a guest, when I have to receive the trophy physically on the function. Okay. And this is the gold medal. See, outside public are giving me gold medal, and you people. Yesterday I got this, and yesterday was, ये मैंने दिखाया ना, दिख रहा है, दिखता है कि नहीं दिखता है?